Hey everybody, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically spin all the time on Dress to Impress. I'm just trying to show you guys how you can spin glitch. So you have to enable your shift lock on, go to the Roblox page, go to settings, and then under shift lock switch you're going to just turn it on. Then you are going to walk near the makeup booth. Then you are going to select the camera button, close it and select it again, close it, press the shift lock, press E and space, and you're going to spin all the time. Like, I'm not doing anything here. And what I like to do, I'm just going to get this. I'm just going to turn off shift real quick, and then I'll do the both hands one, or the extended one, sorry. Select the post pack, do winter post pack, and select the angel one, and then press shift again. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you want to stop spinning again, just press shift. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.